Hello students, this is your KP sir, Krishna Prakash. Today I am here to discuss regarding how to crack GATE in first attempt. Here I am going to discuss about the different phases of GATE preparation, what subjects have to focus more, what subjects have to spend less time duration. Based on my previous students' experience, their preparation, top rankers preparation strategy, I am going to say today's session. So the today's session is related to phase wise preparation of GATE examination depending upon important subjects, most important subjects, least preferred subjects for preparation. So all this category is depending upon weightage of marks given according to previous year's GATE paper. Based on analysis of previous year's GATE, I have prepared a small strategy for the students who are going to start first time for the preparation of GATE. So I want to make them to crack the GATE in the first attempt. Now, before going to start the session, myself, most of the students call me KP sir or EE sir, Krishna Prakash. I have the experience of more than 150 batches for GATE and ESE. I taught the subjects of environmental engineering, hydrology, irrigation, open channel flow. So here in Unacademy, I am going to teach all these subjects in-depth point of view around each subject. Environmental, when we take 150 hours, hydrology 60 hours, irrigation 60 hours, and open channel flow 30 hours. This much depth, no faculty will teach you. Complete coverage of the syllabus, different models of questions I am going to solve here. So I have trained more than 150 plus batches. Most of my students are PSU engineers, AE, AEE in state government examination, and IAS officers now. I am proud to say most of my students crack GATE in first attempt. So if you want to achieve that, take Unacademy plus subscription, join with my core KP Civil, get my guidance, and also fulfill your dream of cracking GATE in first attempt. Now, coming to the GATE strategy. So before going to discuss regarding strategy, GATE examination is for 100 marks, 65 questions, in which general aptitude, reasoning, verbal aptitude and spatial aptitude all including. It is for 15 marks. You will have 10 questions on it. Second one, engineering mathematics, which is for 13 marks. We'll have around 8 to 9 questions on it for 13 marks. Then core civil engineering subjects, technical subjects of civil engineering, remaining 72 marks. Remaining 72 marks. So these are the three main categories: general aptitude, engineering mathematics, and core civil engineering. Now, I am giving your GATE preparation into 4 different phases, giving in the form of 4 different phases. We are discussing about phase 1, most important subject preparation. How can we categorize into most important subject preparation? Preparation of most important subjects. This is the first priority of any student. Damn sure questions, more weightage based on previous paper analysis. Based on previous paper analysis, I came to conclude these are the following most important subjects which a student not allowed to leave in the exam, which is needed to crack GATE with top rank. The first one, from the core I am writing. First one, geotechnical engineering, most important highest weightage subject from the core civil engineering branch, which comprises around 14 to 15 marks. Second one, environmental engineering, which comprises around 10 to 12 marks. Third one, transportation engineering, where you can focus more on highway engineering, less on airport and railway engineering. You focus more on highway engineering, which comprises 8 to 9 marks. These three, the subjects which you must prepare for GATE to crack top 100. Because more weightage, all the three subjects are having more weightage, without which you are not going to get a top rank. Then, and also we are having the subjects of engineering, mathematics, as I said previously, 13 marks, general aptitude, mandatory must coming 15 marks. So overall when you look into this, around your 58 to 60% weightage, around your 58 to 60% weightage completed by these 58 to 60 marks you will get. Means 60% of syllabus is depending upon how many subjects? 5 subjects. Listen carefully. Not only for GATE, these 5 subjects also having high weightage in engineering service examination. Whenever you are preparing for state government examination, same geotechnical, environmental, transportation play very important role. So your phase 1, instead phase 1 you name it target 1. Deadline for target 1, 2 months. Deadline for your target 1, 2 months. Why I am giving 2 months? Because these are big subjects. And also you need in-depth preparation, practice of more and more questions, without which you are unable to solve twists in the GATE examination. So target 1 or phase 1, your phase 1 to be completed in 2 months. Then within 2 months you are going to finish 58 to 60 marks of subjects. Got it? If you are unable to prepare all at a time, the only thing, take 2 core subjects, engineering, math or general aptitude, every day 1 hour, every day 2 hours, depending upon your time availability. So parallelly, for example, you start environmental engineering and highway engineering. Then with that parallelly, you prepare engineering mathematics or general aptitude daily 1 to 2 hours. So that by the end of 2 months, all 5 subjects easily completed for you. This is phase 1, target 1 for first 2 months. Then we are moving ahead for your target 2, phase 2. Phase 2, I am giving you a simple target. Why simple target? Why I am going to say? Because target 2 is consisting of small subjects, but don't neglect with more weightage. Small subjects with high weightage. According to previous year paper analysis, I am saying the subjects with more weightage. First preferred open channel flow, OCF. Just it needs 2 days for you to complete. Just more than 2 days is not required. Just 2 days is enough. Where you are getting 3 to 4 marks minimum. What I am saying, minimum 1 2 marks question, 1 mark question mandatory from OCF, 3 to 4 marks. And from construction materials and management, focus on the 2 topics CPM and PERT. Again you will get 1 2 marks question mandatory, 1 mark question. So mostly maximum you will get 3 marks from CPM and PERT. You understand? CPM and PERT, how many days you need? You put 1 day for CPM, 1 day for PERT. So within 2 days you are completing. Within 2 days you are completing open channel flow, and another 2 days you are spending to finish CPM PERT. In 4 days, how many marks you are getting? 5 marks minimum you will get in 4 days. So that spending, smart thinking, effective spending of time, that is very important. Effective utilization of available time for exam preparation, especially you are preparing for a competitive exam, that is a wise decision you are going to take. What subject at what time, how many number of days you have to spend, that is most important criteria. Then moving on to next small subject with more weightage, hydrology. Hydrology you will get 4 to 5 marks. If you write down all the formula in hydrology, the number of formulas does not exceed more than 20. Just 20 formulas enough. And little theory, very small amount of theory you learn. Don't go through deep theory, not required. For GATE preparation, solving numerical question, focus on 2 topics, infiltration, hydrograph. If still time is there, focus on well hydraulics. That will be very much helpful for you. Hydrology 4 to 5 marks, which is going to be completed in 5 days. Enough, 5 days time is more than enough for you. 5 days time is more than enough for you. Then the another small subject with more weightage, surveying, which is having 5 to 6 marks weightage. And in this surveying, damn sure questions are coming from photogrammetry, leveling, traversing. So most important topics are there. First you finish those most important topics. Within 5 days, this is also small subject. Within 5 days you are going to complete surveying also. So all the small subjects with more weightage, how many days you are spending the time? How many days you are spending the time? 14 days. If you want, take one more day extra, additional day, solve more numerical questions, no issue. Within 14-15 days, how many marks you are getting? Very important point here. Spending time effectively and getting more marks. That is a smart strategy for GATE preparation. 15 marks damn sure you will get from these 4 topics. According to PYQ analysis, previous year question analysis. So 15 days, 15 marks means 1 day, 1 mark. 15 days, 15 marks means 1 day, 1 mark. That is very important. So your target 2, what is your target 2? How many days I have given? 15 days. Your target 2 has to be finished in 15 days. Means in 2.5 months, 75 marks, 60 marks from phase 1, 15 marks from phase 2. 2.5 months you are capable of getting 75 marks. Is it not? Easy enough? 60 marks from phase 1, 15 marks from phase 2. In 2.5 months, you are getting 75 marks. Till phase 3. Phase 3, limit your time, spend a small time, but you have to finish lengthy subjects. That is important. Phase 3, lengthy subjects, vast theory, vast numericals, lengthy subjects with optimum weightage, moderate weightage, not very high weightage, not very less weightage. Lengthy subjects with optimum weightage. What are lengthy subjects with optimum weightage? The first and most preferred, strength of materials, SOM, strength of materials, which needs for you at least 10 days to complete it. Minimum 10 days needed. Then you are getting how many marks? 6 to 7 marks. 6 to 7 marks. If you are not completing in 10 days, first focus on most important topics of strength of materials. Left unimportant topics you leave, don't read. But don't exceed the time more than 10 days. That will kill your time for revision. That will make less time for revision and practice of questions. So only restrict your time for strength of materials to 10 days. Followed by fluid mechanics. Followed by fluid mechanics. As we have excluded open channel flow, weightage is only 4 to 5. Maybe sometimes 6 marks. But not more than that, because we have taken out OCF. We have placed OCF somewhere. So just 4 to 5 marks. Now spend 7 days to complete fluid mechanics. Again I am saying, within 1 week you are not going to complete fluid mechanics. Focus on most important topics only. Don't waste your time on unimportant topics. Okay. Then third one, RCC. Third one, RCC. So in RCC, what you want to prepare, it is given for 6 to 7 marks. Recently, weightage of RCC increases. Previously, it is up to 5 marks only. As per the latest PYQ analysis, they are increasing to 7 marks also. So you spend 8 days for RCC. You spend 8 days for RCC. Generally, students are used to start with the structural engineering subjects. Yes, everyone needs love, enjoy, numerical questions to solve. But a very important thing, while you are studying BTech, you are not habituated to by heart the lengthy formula standard values from RCC and STEEL. You are copying from codebook and writing BTech exam. In BTech exam, it was allowed. But in GATE, they won't allow your codebooks. So, you have to spend more time here. But still less weightage. Instead of that, spend more time on subjects like geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering. You will get more weightage, small simple formula, not lengthy formula, so that easily you can get more marks from these subjects. Then coming for next, lengthy subject with optimum weightage, structural analysis. I have included plastic analysis also under this. Here I have added plastic analysis also under this. After including plastic analysis, I am saying you will get around 6 to 7 marks. In this 6 to 7 marks, 2 to 3 marks is taken out by plastic analysis. So included, I told you clearly, included plastic analysis. Then again for this, you don't give more and more time. 5 days you spend. 5 days only you spend. So total, how much time? 30 days, 1 month period. Total 30 days, phase 3 target. Target how many days? Phase 3 target is 30 days. I am saying again and again, if in 30 days these subjects not completed, don't worry. You focus first finishing important subjects, important topics in strength of material, important topics in fluid mechanics, important topics in RCC, important topics in SA. Before starting SA, first you finish plastic analysis. So restrict your preparation only to important topics. Then only effectively your time is utilized. So by this, what you are finishing? You are finishing around 20 marks. You are completing around 20 marks by this. So phase 3, 30 days. Understand? Phase 1, 2 months target 60 marks. Phase 2, 15 days target 15 marks. Phase 3, 30 days target 20 marks. So in 3.5 months, see how many days I have given? 2 months, 15 days, 30 days. 3.5 months, you have finished 95 marks. This is target. 3.5 months, your target is completed around 95 marks. 95 marks. What about remaining 5 marks? There may be plus and minus in these subjects. There are 2 subjects left over. I think you forgot about it. Those 2 subjects are irrigation, whose weightage is mostly 1 to 2 marks. In some sets in 2019, 2018, 0 marks. In one set, 0 mark from irrigation. Same scenario with respect to engineering mechanics. Same scenario with respect to engineering mechanics. Again, we can write even 0 to 1 mark also. So I don't like to write 0. So I am writing 1 to 2 marks. Steel structures. Steel structures, as we have included plastic analysis in structural analysis, we can take only 2 marks. So overall, all the 3. So what you have to study from this? You have to study only, focus only on, don't go for unimportant topics, focus only on important topics, whole, all the 3 important topics, finish. This is your phase 4 target. How many days you need? Okay, overall I am giving, for all the 3 subjects, overall I am giving you target 4, 5 days. Target 4, 5 days. Then, so total 3 months, 20 days, you are completing most of the subjects. So start with geotechnical environmental transportation, then small subjects OCF, CPM, PERT, hydrology surveying, then with long subjects SOM, FM, RCCSA, then less weightage, less important subjects. Only focus on important topic. Irrigation, engineering, mechanics, steel. Then last phase, very important phase. Phase 5, final phase. Revision. One subject, one day. Revision. One subject, one day. Clearly remember that. Spend revision for one day, one subject. At least before you are going to give GATE exam, 3 times each subject is to be completed. 3 times each subject is to be completed. Because only 3.5 months finished. Still 1.5 month is there for you. So completion of 3 times each subject. Solving previous year questions of GATE. GATE PYQs. Not one time, remember. 3 times minimum. Already you know. No problem. Solve PYQs of GATE. 3 times. Focus on online test series. Practice more questions. How many number of questions you have practiced and solved? Along with that, analysis of online test series. So if you have done more questions solved and analyzed what mistakes you did, then surely you will be top ranker. Surely you will be top ranker. So now you are having a doubt. What to prepare, how to prepare? Yes. Requirements for preparation. Sources of study. Sources of study. So first source, you find a good teacher who will teach exactly what is required your GATE preparation. What is needed for your GATE preparation. Not more than, not less than. Because dumping unnecessary content, even though that is not coming in GATE, waste of time. Giving a small content, not giving required content, that is also wrong. Exactly needed delivery of subject. Such faculties, classroom notes. You have to attend class and you have to write down the notes by your own writing, not from your seniors, not from top rankers. Such faculties, classroom notes written by you. Study materials needed. Any of the coaching center study materials you have to take. Practice questions. After you have prepared, you have to solve more and more questions. That is very important. Practice question. PYQ question book. PYQ question book. Finally, online test series. So before going to close the session, I will tell you one important suggestion. How to prepare. Today you have taken one topic from one subject. Study it from your classroom notes. Read everything. Then prepare short notes which is helpful for your revision. By heart all the formula, understand the subject. Then after that, go for study material. Again, note additional points in the short notes. Again, read everything, understand the subject. Then close your classroom notes, short notes, study material, put aside. Start solving practice questions. Maybe you are not getting answers, no issue. After solving all questions, then go through what are the mistakes you did and write it down on paper. The same mistake not repeated in GATE exam. Then you are the top ranker. You are doing practice question. Don't worry, you are getting wrong answers. What mistake you did to get wrong? You verify, analyze. You are the top ranker. Then after practice questions, go for PYQ book. Solve previous year questions. Same thing you do. Then online test series. So your solutions with correct solutions you can match. Analyze it. Note down the mistakes you did. You don't want to note down correct answers. Wrong answers, what mistakes you did, you note down. That is your stepping stone of success. Okay? Done. So, I'm going to close the session. The students who want to get list of important subjects and list of important topics for GATE, and any guidance regarding your career, any guidance regarding your GATE preparation, WhatsApp me. I will guide the students. I will provide what is your requirement. 89859 3112. And if you want to take plus subscription in Unacademy, the most experienced faculty from top coaching center joined now in Unacademy. Live classes, live teaching experience, interactive teaching experience. It is not recorded. we are saying about live interactive sessions. If you miss, you can go for recorded session, no problem. But it is a 100% pure online live interactive session. Rajendra Prasad sir, who teach structures and transportation. Myself will teach environmental, hydrology, irrigation, OCF. Abdul Rafi sir will complete geotech. All we three have more than 150 plus batches of experience. We guide you, we are with you till you crack the GATE examination. So take plus subscription in Unacademy and use my code KP Civil. Use my code KP Civil or Engineering Guru. You will get a 10% discount in the coaching fees, and you will get one free online test series from Unacademy and one from myself. And also you will be guided by myself in my WhatsApp group and other activities. And I am announcing free online test series in Unacademy for any student. Not for only paid student, for any student throughout India. He can write every week one exam, 30 questions for 50 marks, which are of high standard, GATE standard. So, write online examination free. You are not a plus subscriber, no problem. You not paid anything to Unacademy, no problem. You can write it freely. Super 30 test series. Enroll now itself. Weekly one test, followed by analysis of test solution also. 1 hour session. So, join GATE and ESC course in Unacademy. Take plus subscription using KP Civil code. Let's crack it.